Looking for picture window installation in Pell City? Our expert team specializes in providing top-notch picture window installation services, ensuring your home or business benefits from stunning views and enhanced natural light. With our Pell City services, you can transform your space with elegance and functionality. Custom windows and picture windows. Pell City designs offer a wide range of custom window designs. Pell City options to suit any architectural style or personal preference. Whether you need unique shapes, sizes, or materials, our custom window designs will meet your specific needs and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property. Energy-efficient picture windows. Pell City are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our energy-efficient windows Pell City solutions are designed to minimize heat loss and maximize insulation, ensuring your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows today and enjoy long-term savings. For reliable window replacement Pell City, look no further. Our window replacement Pell City services are tailored to provide seamless installation and superior performance. Whether you're upgrading old windows or dealing with damage, our team ensures a hassle-free window replacement experience. Residential picture windows. Pell City services are crucial for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your home. Our residential window services Pell City include everything from installation to replacement, ensuring your windows are always in top condition. Trust us for all your residential window needs in Pell City. Window replacement experts in Pell City are here to address all your window repair needs. Our window repair Pell City services cover everything from minor fixes to major repairs, ensuring your windows function properly and look great. Trust our window replacement experts to restore your windows to their original condition. Commercial picture windows. Pell City services in Pell City are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses. Our commercial window services Pell City include installation, replacement, and maintenance, ensuring your commercial property looks professional and inviting. Enhance your business's curb appeal with our expert commercial window solutions. Double-hung windows Pell City offer a classic look with modern functionality. Our double-hung windows Pell City options provide easy operation and excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Upgrade to double-hung windows for a timeless and practical window solution. Vinyl window options in Pell City provide durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl window options Pell City are available in various styles and colors, offering a cost-effective and attractive window solution. Window frame replacement. Pell City is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our window frame replacement Pell City services address issues like rot, warping, and damage, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Rely on us for professional window replacement solutions.